Chapter 8 Algorithms and Flowcharts Learning Objectives Introduction Algorithms Flowchart Features of a flowchart Flowchart symbols Rules for making a flowchart Loop Introduction In your daily life, you carry out certain steps in sequential order to perform a particular task or to a desired output. Similarly, you give instructions to the computer to perform some task. The instructions written in a language which a computer can understand is called a program. Before writing any program, we must create an algorithm and a flowchart for it. In this chapter, we will discuss how to write algorithm and how to create flowchart. Let us learn them in detail. Algorithms. An algorithm is defined as a process that performs some sequence of operations in order to solve a given problem. It is a step-by-step procedure to solve any problem. It is always written in simple language and in precise manner. Example 1. Algorithm to add any two numbers. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Take two numbers. Step 3. Add the two numbers. Step 4. Print the result. Step 5. Stop. Example 2. Algorithm to calculate a square of a number. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Take a number, say P. Step 3. Find the square of a number. Step 4. Print the result. Step 5. Stop. Flowchart. A flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm. It shows the flow of a program. It uses some symbols to show the steps to solve a problem. These symbols are connected to each other by arrows. Features of a flowchart. Every flowchart has some unique feature which makes it accurate. These features are as follows. Every flowchart has a start symbol and a stop symbol. There is only one flow line that comes out from a process symbol. The general direction of flow in any flowchart is from top to bottom or left to right. Only one flow line is used to connect the start and stop symbols. A decision box has only one entry point but two exit points. One exit point shows the true condition and the other exit point shows the false condition. Flowchart symbols. The various symbols that are used to create a flowchart are as follows. Symbols. Name. Use. Oval-shaped start, stop, box terminal. It shows the starting and ending of flowchart. It is used at the beginning and the end of the flowchart, which shows the starting and ending of a flowchart. Parallelogram. Input-output box. It is used to indicate the input and output of a program. That is the instructions related to the input and getting the result. Rectangle. Process instruction box. It is used to show the processing part of the flowchart like calculations. Diamond. Decision box. It is used to check the conditions, display comparisons, and take decisions of the problem. Arrows. Flow lines. It shows the connection between different symbols of flowchart. Circles. Connectors. It is used to join the parts of the flowchart. Rules for making a flowchart. There are some rules that should be followed while making a flowchart. While drawing a proper flowchart, all necessary requirements should be listed out in a logical order. The flowchart should be clear, neat, and easy to follow. Only one flow line should be used in conjunction with terminal symbols. The direction of flow in a flowchart should be from top to bottom or from left to right. If the flowchart becomes complex, it is better to use connector symbols to reduce the number of flow lines. Examples. Consider some flowcharts to understand how to design them. Flowchart to find the addition of two numbers like 25 and 35. Start. Read 25. Read 35. Addition equals 25 plus 35. Print addition. Stop. Flowchart to find the average of three numbers. Start. Read A, B, C. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 3. Print S. Stop. Flowchart to calculate area of a square. Start. Read A. Area is equal to A multiply A. Print area. Stop. Loop. The loop is a mechanism in which a task can be performed many times. To keep a check on how many times a loop is repeated, a counter is set up. A counter is a variable which counts the number of times a process is repeated. Start. A equals computer. Count equals 1. Print A. Is count less than 10? True. Count is equal to count plus 1. False. Stop. Keywords. Algorithm. A process that performs some sequence of operations in order to solve a given problem. Flowchart. A graphical representation of an algorithm. Loop. A mechanism in which tasks can be performed many times.